Alright guys, back again. I've got Ami here. 2 more boxes. 12-13 Preferred Basketball. Live here on Blowout TV. Alright, Ami, good luck, buddy. And this is going to be a very basketball heavy day, I have a feeling. Alright, New York booklet, 157 of 199. Monroe, Ewing, Jackson. Cheeks, Starks, Mason, and Cartwright. I get a redemption. Lance Thomas, Panini's Choice Red Rookies. Card number 521. I think that is a prime silhouette. Save that. Royce White, Panini's Choice Red, 7 of 99. Yeah. And we do have a prime, and it is a very good one. Michael Kidd Gilchrist, 15 of 25. Boom. That is awesome. Just missed his jersey number, 15 of 25. Alright, and box number 2. Alright, rookie booklet, 133 of 249. Davis, Beal, Kidd Gilchrist, Waiters, Robinson, and Lillard. Base. Alright, silhouette, numbered 42 of 99, Jay Crowder. And a George McGinnis, blue parallel. Number 26 of 49. And our last card, redemption. Panini's Choice Blue, card number 80, Rick Fox. Alright, Ami, that'll do it, buddy. Again, I appreciate the order. Congratulations on the Kidd Gilchrist, and I'll get it right out to you.